Okay, hi everyone. This is Afrin Ahmed from Team Art Nukkad. Today we are going to do a mandala art session for beginners. I hope you all like it. And now we are going to arrange the camera. Let everybody join, and then we are going to arrange the camera. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask me, and then we can start. So I'll little bit explain you about Art Nukkad. What is Art Nukkad? Basically, we are based in Gurugram and we provide art services and products. So we have a painting event, painting workshop, painting sessions. You can join us for weekends. Those who are really busy with work and housewife also who really love to do painting but not able any time to do it as they have a lot of responsibilities and things, they can join us on weekends only for 2 hours for a particular session, like a particular type of painting if you want to do for your home or want to place in your home or drawing room, like that. You can paint with us in the 2-hour session, and then you can put them, frame them, and decor your wall or inner space, like that. So, and we have kid sessions also. We have a lot of kids who take art classes from us, and a part of this we are doing these painting parties for working people also. There are many working people who want to reduce their stress, and in this situation of COVID-19, we all are facing a little bit of stress, and a lot of things come into our mind. So art really heals everyone. So if you want to heal yourself or you want to do something, you can follow us on Instagram for the upcoming events. I hope you all love the workshop today and you will make something out of it. And also you can share your artwork in our groups, the Wandering Mind. And we have our own group, Art Nukkad, where you can, Art Nukkad Gurgaon, where you can only share about your experiences regarding education, learning and art and creative stuff. But in Wandering Minds you can share about your experience, expertise and whatever you feel like. So thank you Neetu ma'am and Sakshi ma'am for giving this opportunity to reach more people and have this session with you. And let's start the session. I think few people have joined. We'll start in 1 to 3 minutes, and I'll just adjust the camera so that we all know. And today, if you will share your artwork or mandala art in the group Wandering Arts, we are giving top 5 contestants. We'll choose top 5 contestants. We'll get opportunity to get free paid session. Like you can have a free painting session which is of acrylic or whatever you will choose. There are 2 paintings, so you can choose one. It's like that. So we can start the session. Now I'm just adjusting the camera so that we can start the session. I hope this is visible to you. If there is any problem with the camera or you are not able to see anything, you can just tell me so that I can arrange it according to you. Okay, hi Neetu ma'am, hi Sakshi ma'am, hi Poonam Sangvi ma'am. Okay, I hope all are able to see. Hi Sheikh, and hello ma'am, this side Yashvi. Hi Yashvi, hope you are doing good. Neha Kotra Khanda. What if we don't have protector? Yeah, so basically when it's quality that we can make patterns. But if you don't have protector today, you can make it without the help of pattern. But for professional look or for professional doing, you must have protector, scale and these things, so that it will not look rough or it's not look like it's done by an amateur artist. Okay. Okay. Hi Shefali. Hi Neha Kotra Khanna ma'am, and hello all. Hi Neha Bedi. Hi Shefali. Okay. Shreya here. Okay. So now we can start the session. I will just tell you that how we can go ahead. First of all, open your file vertically. First of all, open your files vertically and then have scale. Now we need to measurement the center of the scale, also center of the sheet. So we just need to measure how you can this is a A5 size. You can measure your A4 size or something like if there is A3, so you need to measure it first of all. So it's like it's 15, so 15 ka aap hoga 7.5. So I'm going to mark 7.5 here. And we are going to measure the length also, which is 20, so it's like we are going to do it at 10. So this is 7.5, a little bit here. So yeah, we just need to draw a straight line, and make sure that you make this line really light. If you are going to do it dark, it will appear, so you need to erase it also. So I am doing it dark so that you all can observe it. But if you are not able to, if you are doing it on your file and you don't need to show, you just do it really light. I am doing it dark so that it will be visible to all of you. So this is how we have divided this portion. So mandala art, first basic thing, we can start with the circles mandala art. But if you will join our sessions, we will tell you how to make bookmarks and other type of mandala art, like having painting in it and stippling. There are many type of mandala art. So I'll explain it more later. Now we are going to start. Yeah, so I have this compass with me. So I'm going to draw the circles. Now you have to draw concentric circles, like parallelly we need to make circles according to your pattern. But if there is, some kind of thickness, you can increase it, and you want to make a thin part, you can make thin it. Okay. So now I'm just going to put it in the center, and I'm going to start the center part, which is like this. So we just need to make few circles. If there is any question while I'm doing this, you can write it in the group, in the comment box. I'll answer. Okay. Hi Zara, and it's Madhav and everyone. Okay, hi everyone. I have just read the messages who have joined right now. And now we are going to make concentric circle parallel to it. So I'm making it thin because I want to make a thin pattern here. Then I'll go ahead and I need to make a bigger pattern. So I am increasing this space. It's not equal to the first and second one. And we just need to make the circles and lines really light. If you are going to do it dark, it will not look too much good, so we need to erase it also. I just telling you that how professionals do the mandala art. We can do it without the help of scale, protector, and because we all are able to make patterns like. But if you want to have a professional look on your artwork, you need to use all this stuff. After this, we are going to increase this portion, so this will be like this. So I have just increased my pattern according to my needs. So I have just the pattern I have thought what will I will tell you today. It has this kind of spaces. You can make your own pattern and own designs. Okay, this much I guess, and there should be a little bit of a thin circle. Okay. So this is how we are going to do the circle part. So I am done with the measurement and the basic structure of mandala art. Now we are okay. Afin, please can you bring the camera a little closer? Okay, give me a moment. I'll put it a little closer. Okay, now I think it's visible to all, and it's more closer. Just tell me. I guess this will be perfect. Yeah, okay, sure. I'll go a little slow. I was just thinking people should not get bored. That's why I didn't. I was doing it little quick, but right now I'll do it little slow. So we just mark this area. Yeah. So we have marked this area, and we have divided into two portion. And now the point where it's intersecting, we have made the concentric circles. Now we are going to add how we are going to have the division of the on the whole point, like if we're going to make the pattern, how it will come equal. So for that we use protector, because that's it is really easy to use. And now we can make like circles, or dividing it, the part we can divide it into. So it has a mark over it. We can use this parts, like I'm going to use it from here. So I'm just marking these points. You can mark these points. I am using half also and one also. So I am having the half points. How circles? How many circles, ma'am? Please answer. Okay. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 circles, and first two are really close, then third one is little bit far, and the fourth one is more far, and fifth one is more far. Then there is two circles which is little closer. Okay, Samya Sheikh. We just need to mark these points. Yeah, so this is how I have marked few points. Now what will I do? I'll just take scale, and now I will start drawing lines and touching this center part with these lines. So I have this line. I'll just draw it little lighter. If you all will draw it lighter, जितना आप लाइट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं उतना लाइट आप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो ज्यादा बेटर आएगा आपका पैटर्न और डिजाइन निकल के. So make it little light. There is a little, and we need to touch it. Don't go parallel, like we need to touch it towards the center. So try to do that. It should not be parallel. It should come touching the center point. So like this, we are going to do it. Keep making the lines. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comment box. At a boring session, you can talk also. Okay, okay, Neetu ma'am, I'll go a little slow. I'm just making these lines. So those who have joined late, I'll just explain it a little bit. First, we need to open our files vertically, and whatever the sheet if you are having, and after that we need to measure the area vertically and horizontally. So the length and width we are going to measure, and then we are going to draw a line and half that portion. Like from horizontally we have, I have marked half, and vertically also, and then draw two lines with where it is intersecting. This is our center point where we need to draw our circles. Then you can use a compass and make circles. First of all, you need to draw a first circle. You can put your compass and do it. Now according to your pattern, you can decide the distance of your circles. So this is my first circle. Second circle is very close. Third is little bit far. Then I made the fourth circle, which is according to the pattern far, and then there is a bigger one, and then there are two concentric circles which are equal. So this is how I have done these circles. After this, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. 7 circles are there. Let me write so that if anybody have joined late, they must know that how we have done it. This is 7 circles. Yeah. After this, we are going to do measurement of our pattern, these lines. So how we are going to do it? We just put this protector. I'll do it little bit again so that you all can observe how we need to do it. We just need to put it in the center and mark the points. Like I am marking it from here 1, and then other half point, then other half 1, then point half. So I'm not giving a 1 gap, I'm giving half gap also. Half gaps like this, 1, 2, 3, and again this is how you are going to mark your points. These all things like scale and protector and compass is not necessary for doing mandala art, but if you are not using this thing, it will look little immature. It will not look like it is done by a professional artist. So if you want to do it professionally, you need to use these things, because it will give you a proper calculation where your design is going to be made. So this is how we are going to mark our points. If you have any query related to this, you can write in the comment box, I'll answer. And thank you for letting me know about the camera angle. I think it should be more closer like this. I think it's visible. It's very much visible. After marking your points, we just need to draw lines. Like we are going to draw lines. Join these points with this center part of the circle. I hope all are drawing it with me and doing it well. And Yashvi, you also, I have high hopes with you. Yashvi is our upcoming child artist. She do a really good artworks and she has fine collection of artworks. Will soon post her work along with her video. If there is any question, please write me in the comment box. Because when it's a Zoom session, it's quite easy, but in live session, we are not able to understand if there is any question or not, and then I'll answer. Yes, if it is visible. Okay, thank you, Shifali. This is how we are going to join our circles. Just move your scale according to your lines. I am drawing really dark so that all can see how I am drawing these measurement, but you need to do it really light. So try to make this line really light. This is how we are going to do it. Okay. Now the 2 points left. So I am done with the upper measurement part and the lines. Now I'm doing the lower one. So mandala, it is not only done in the circle shape only. It has many shape. You can do it in any shape, any form. It's up to your creativity. You just need to learn the basic, and then you can create your artworks and become a pro artist. I'm done with the third portion. Now one part is left. If you have any artwork, any mandala art, please share in the group. We'll select top 5 people whose artwork is best and will get the opportunity for the free paint party workshop. You can paint acrylic painting with us, which will be free of cost. This is how we are done with our measurement thing. Your sheet will look like. Now you are all set for your measurement. Now if iske baad we'll start patterns, but I'll stop a little bit. I'll see how much you all have done, and we can start making pattern in 1 or 2 minutes. Ma'am, we have to do measurement from both side. Yeah, we have to do measurement for from both side. Abhishekta. Okay, Abhishekta, because we are making a circle mandala art. If you want, if you are doing half, like semicircle pattern, you can make half. If you are doing it like from this side or this side, that are a different pattern. You can do it like that. Sure, ma'am. I'm waiting. I'm just answering everyone so that we can be engaged. So if you wanted to make a bookmark or a pattern in a rectangle shape and you have a half circle, then you can go for half lines. If you are making a circle like circular mandala, you need to do both sides. If you are not able to draw it or if you have any question, ask me again. I'll tell you how to do it. Shreya, do share your work in the group. I think all are drawing and I am just watching all the work and their kids also who are drawing. It's a really good thing. Okay, ma'am, I will do. Good going afternoon. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's see. I hope it's visible that much. I hope this will be little easy with the help of scale to draw lines. There should be no, but I know that there is too much line. You must take too much, few minutes to draw it. Tab tak we'll just arrange our things and set it up. I'm just erase. Okay, I'll wait. Let's see. Um, we can start with the pattern in few minutes. I guess all have made till here. I guess upper part is finished till now. If you have finished your upper part of the concentric circle and the lines, please comment so that I know that how much you all have done. If, when we can start the pattern. If you are done with the first line, first part line, you can message in the comment that you have done. And if you are done with the both lines, you can message like you are done with both lines. And those who have finished this can chat with me, can comment. If you have any question related to anything, a part of the mandala art, about regarding acrylic painting or watercolor painting or interiors or tattoo, you can message here. Done. Okay. Finish doing this much, please. Both line. Okay, done with both. Okay. I can see almost all are done with the both lines. So now we can start the pattern. So this is now a little important part. Now we have done line like equally, but some patterns are thick thumb. Some are really thin. So we need to go according to it. First of all, I am going to erase this center lines. So you can erase for only the center part, the first circle, inside the first circle. And I'm just going to fill it with black sketch pen. I'm just going to mark it. I'm outlining the center circle with black sketch pen. You can use, if you don't have sketch pen, you can use your black pen or anything. It will be a little easier to do it with black sketch pen. Okay, so I have marked it. Now I'm going to make this highlighted portion a white one and a dot, and now I'm going to fill this portion. So you can fill this portion with black sketch pen. today you can make same pattern with me, and if you have any pattern like you want to do different pattern, you can go for different also. I'm just telling you the basic technique. The pattern and creativity is up to you, whether you want to make the same like me or you want to do different. So I'm little unsatisfied with this sketch pen because it's little light. It's not too much dark. I'm using a little bit marker over it so that it should be more black. Yeah. So we need to do this center part like this. Okay, let me answer. Somebody have a question. Can we keep space little more than you did? Yeah, you can keep your space little more. It's up to you. Like I'm just telling you the basic technique. You can have more space according to your pattern. If you want to do more spaces, you can do it. And you know, my file is A5 size. So if your file is A4 or A3, or you have a bigger sheet or a square sheet, it will look little different and it will be little bigger. So mine is quite closer and small because it's A5 size. So yeah, this is how we are going to do it. I hope all have done this much. Next pattern we are going to do. Now we are going to add, see, we are going to start from this line, which is the horizontal main line. I am going to add two parts. Like I am going to make pattern in the two lines. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So there should be, it will become equal. I am using two lines to make this pattern, not one single line. I'm using two lines. So please, it's up to, if you want to make more thinner, you can use one line. If you want to make thicker, you can use three lines. I am using two lines so that it will be equal, like this. So try to use these lines equally, like I am using. So this is how we are going to make our first pattern. Use two lines to make this. Yeah. So you can see now it's equally make. अगर हम इसको बिना lines के बनाते, it must have come equal, but it will not look too much equal. Like if you are going to do it like this, so equal नहीं आ पाता वो. But because of these lines and pattern, we can make these pattern equally. That's the only difference I was telling you. So now we are done with this pattern here. Now if you want to make few thin lines inside this pattern, you can use a black gel pen, or yeah, you can use a black gel pen, or there is micron pen which comes in the box, which are especially for doodle and mandala art. So you can make few of the one and two lines inside this flower petals, like this. Okay, so if you want to add few lines, you can use pen to do that. So for the thickness of our design, you can use sketch pen or marker. For pattern making, you can use micron pen, which come in all the sizes, or you can use this OHP marker. And for the thinnest thing, you can use directly pen. So this is how your pattern will look like. I'm just doing these lines little lighter because it's too much dark. And this will surely come in the pattern. But it's fine. I hope you all have made this line little light so that your pattern, when you are going to erase it, it will look nice. So the next pattern we are going to do, yeah. So now I'm going to make few of the leaves here. We can make it with the help of, like, I am using now four lines, like two from here. This is not the same. Yeah, like two from here and two from here. So four lines. It will capture four lines. This pattern will capture these four lines. So 1 2 and 1 2, 1 2 and 1 2, like this. You can start it from here. This is how your lines will look like. So this is how you will, through measurement, you are going to do these equal lines. You can make this pattern easily. Okay, Sakshi will have his message. Let me check. What is the perfect size of the sheet to make mandala drawing? For the mandala drawing, it depends. If you want to make really small pattern, you can go for A5 size. If you want to make like big patterns, you can go for A4 size, but not more than that, because that much is not look too much good. But I prefer A5 size. It depends on the shape also. Like if you want to do it on landscape or rectangular, like bookmark type patterns, or in the square, like circular patterns. So it depends on the shape also. Make sure that your sheet texture will be really good for these patterns. You have like 175 or 300 GSM kind of sheet. It should be thicker. When you are going to use marker and these stuff, it should give a good look. It should not have a thin sheet or thin sheet of file, because that just it's tore away or something like that. So you can use 300 or 200 GSM sheet of file or artwork. Then after this, we are going to double outline these lines from the upper side. So I'm going to do it like this. So this is how you can double outline your pattern easily. After this, you can just have the leaves divided into half from the center. I am dividing it into half, and then we need to make some leaf like line. I am just diagonal lines or horizontal. You can see these lines. So I am adding this pattern inside it. You can see that it's little closer, so you can make this parallelly in a diagonal direction, like how we make the leaves. I'll just show you the pattern here in the bigger size. This is a leaf divided into half, and then make these lines and use pen for it. No marker, no sketch pen, because it's the thinner part. Like this. So I have make this pattern. It will be little dark. आपको थोड़ा सा closely दिख नहीं रहा होगा, because my lines, these lines I was telling you, ये थोड़ी सी dark है. When I'll erase it, you can see clearly that how these patterns are looking. But for these leaf pattern, you need to make this kind of pattern. No, yeah, 200 to 300 GSM files. Okay. Yeah, if art file comes in sizes also and in the thickness also, so you can check the file whether how much GSM is it. Usually it comes in the 175 GSM kind of thing, usual files thickness. Recap please. Okay, Ishpita. Okay, quickly I'll just explain it a little bit if you have joined late. So you need to just open your file vertically, measure the sheet height and width and divide it into half, and from the intersection point that you can start drawing your circle, concentric circle. Then you need to make put your protector, mark the lines and mark the points, and then draw these lines for the measurement thing, and then you can start with the patterns. Like from the center one I have started this filled portion, then I am just doing these pattern, the inside pattern and the leaf pattern. Now I'll move ahead with the next pattern. I hope you all are enjoying and doing. If you have any question and you want to say something, please write it in the comment box so that I can answer you. Next thing we are going to do, we are going to make a little big pattern now, which is okay. So from here, I will take 4 lines. I guess four will be better. No, I think I'll go for 3 lines. Again, the same. We are using OHP marker for this. This is Faber-Castell multi-mark fine. So this is really good to use, make thin pattern because it's आगे से ये थोड़ा सा काफी पतला है, तो it will give a feel of marker also, और ये अच्छे से look भी देगा आपके मंडाला आर्ट को. So you can start with that. So we can start making patterns. Like from the 3 lines we are going to make this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will really enjoy making these things. So if like somebody, we all have something to reduce our stress, some do cooking, some read books, some do painting. So you can use it as a stress buster. Whenever you feel like you are stressed out, just pick up your pen and paper and start doodling. You can enjoy it in the rain and in the seasons also. I hope all are having their snacks and making these mandala pattern with me. So now with these lines and these circles, your pattern is quite easy to make. When you have no like you do it without measurement, it just, it will look really nice. But the thing, only thing is, it will not look that much perfect or like professional. Professional is the word I should prefer. And I totally believe that that many of you can be a mandala artist, can be a pro artist, and you just need to learn few of the basic techniques, and you can just start your own page, or you can start sharing your own work. So like this, we are done with this petals thing. You can see this how it is looking. It's looking really good. For me, this, it's a little bit difficult to draw because I need to show it in the screen, but you can move it however you want, like what is comfortable for you, and you can make it easily. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to divide these pattern into half. Like you can see, already see the half lines which is coming in these petals. Make it half, divide it into half, and then finish it. You can have few of the circle or few things inside, like I'm going to have two circle inside it, and then I'm going to fill this space. Like this I'm going to do it. So it will look really nice. Make two circle and then fill it with your marker. If you are filling it with marker, be little careful, because marker quickly से ये space आपकी सारी fill कर देता है. Maybe circles के अंदर भी you will not get too much space. तो अपना you need to put, keep your marker little up and then fill and then put it down. This is how you can make these patterns. सो व्हाट वी हम पहले क्या करते थे, व्हाट वी वर डूइंग, लाइक जब मंडाला आर्ट इतना ज्यादा फेमस नहीं था, वी मेक पैटर्न्स, लाइक एवरीबडी मेक पैटर्न्स, बट वी डोंट यूज आवर नेगेटिव स्पेस, वी ऑलवेज डू पैटर्न्स बट वी नेवर फिल इट टू मच. So जब डूडल आया तो people have created artworks, like they started filling negative space like the black space, and it give great look to your artworks like painting, doodles, Madhubani painting. So whenever you do mandala art, keep this in mind that you need to fill a little bit of depth, like these spaces, black spaces also. If this mandala art will be only in the, in patterns, it will not look that much great, which is looking with these black thing. You can see this in the end when we are going to finish this mandala art. Okay, friends, some problem with your network. Let me check. Your video is not clear. Video, can you check, please? Give me one moment. I'll not clear. Okay. Let me adjust this again. I hope you all are able to see this now and it's clear. Now it's clear, I guess. You all are able to see what I am saying. Okay, Sakshi, Nishita, and Neetu, can you check please if our video is not clear? Can you zoom the clear? Now it's clear. Now it's clear. It become blur. No. Is it clear now? Why it's not clear right now? Why it's blurry? Not clear. Not clear. Okay, let me check again. Now it's clear. I think now it's clear. Not clear yet. Let me check with the internet connection. I'm just doing the camera little nearby. Now it's clear. Still not clear. I guess this is. Why it's so clear to me? I hope it's doing the focus now. It's clear or not? Now this much better. Okay. I hope it's clear now. Clear now. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, Sir Gupta. Thank you, Neetu ma'am, for letting me know that it's clear. It's blue. Okay, now we are going to add these patterns. We are going to do it half. You can divide it easily into half and make circle and then fill the spaces. So I'm just adding circles and doing it half. You can also make the same pattern. Why it's blurry again? Okay, thank you so much all. So this is how we are going to do these patterns. You can just divide these patterns into half and then fill this portion, the depth. So I was telling that this depth is really important. If you are going to do it like make all the pattern without making any depth, it will not look too good. And we can say this in the end result that how it's going to be look. I'm just going to rotate it for you all so that you all can see this how we need to do it. Yeah. And let me do little focus over it so that you all can see it clearly. This is how we need to do the pattern. Those who are doing mandala art, please share your picture holding this mandala art in your hand and share it in the group and the page, or you can tag us Art Nukkad and Wandering Minds so that we can see your work and choose our top 5 contestant participant who will have the free session of acrylic painting with us. Okay. So this is how we are done with the first pattern, second pattern, third pattern, and the fourth pattern. I hope you all are doing it good. If you are finished, you can message like you are done. If you are not done, just let me know that you are not done. Let me see your So yeah, okay, done, not done. Okay, few are done, few are not done. So we can move ahead with the few more patterns like we are going to add leaf again. Now it will be more bigger, so we are going to add again the four part. One, two, three, four. Okay, we are going to use 5 lines now. Okay, so I'm drawing one. This is one, two, and it will come. ठीक है. So this is our leaf. You can see that it's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines inside it. For this pattern, we need to use 5 lines. Like this we are going to do it. I just keep rotating so that you all can see how we need to do it. And start it from here and touch it here so that it will be more. Yeah. So I'm done with the 1/4 part. Now I'm going to do this part. So we are done with the upper part. Now we are going to do the lower part. Leaf pattern can be different. Yashvi ma'am. Yeah, leaf pattern can be different. Yashvi, it can be any pattern. I have told you that you can use your own patterns also. I am just making it very much easy, like what all can do, because it's for beginner. So you can draw any pattern, whatever you like. So this is how we are done with our pattern. Now I'm going to add a center part here, like the biggest line in the leaf. You can just mark it half. Hope all are enjoying this session and are doing mandala art. Okay, now we are going to add again the leaf part. So I would like to do this leaf little up. Okay, so I am doing it little up. So I'm making these lines. They should be like slant. You can say diagonally. You need to make this line, and it should be little like we make lines in our leaf. But we need to add these lines only in one part, not in the second one. This session is for beginners who don't know how to make patterns, or who don't know how to make patterns with the tools and the professionally. So I hope you all are learning it well and know how to draw it now, and how to use these lines and these concentric line parallel lines to make equal size patterns. So this is how we are done with our pattern. Enjoying. Thank you so much, Shifali. And next thing we are going to add few of the lines here. Okay, one thing I want to add it here, but this is not in the pattern. Like we are going to use this circle now, so you all can use this part, but don't completely outline this circle. You can use this part and make this inside pattern here. So this is how you need to do it. once you will start with doing mandala art, it will come naturally in your mind, and that how you can make different kind of patterns and these things. So it's not to see in front of us. So yeah, you can make this pattern like this. And this is the last side, I guess. We can make one, or it's up to you how much pattern you want to increase. So this is how we are going to do it. Now it's up to us. Like if you want to fill it, you can fill it. If you want to add few lines, you can add it. But I'm going to fill it. I have told you about positive and negative space. Like if the blackboard is not black, we are not going to see the white part. तो जब तक किसी भी artwork के नीचे whatever you will see डेप्थ नहीं होती है, तो लाइट पार्ट अपीयर उसके ऊपर ज्यादा निकल के नहीं आता. That's why we use this. So we need to do this black part, and after this it will look more beautiful and more appealing also. So let's do it. Make these patterns and fill this space with black. This is how we are going to do it. Six, seven, eight. So we are going to draw this pattern into three lines, like you are going to have half in this pattern. Very nice. We are done with it. We are moving forward. If there is any error in the connection or you are not able to see it, please. And if you have done different pattern, you can tell me in the comment box also, like how you are doing it. Okay. So now we are done with these pattern. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add a circle in between, which is have a little circle, and I'm going to add these lines in the center. This is how we are going to do it. Once you will start making pattern, your hands will not stop. Like you like kind of enjoying it, that how you are going to make more patterns and add more lines. We are going to do it in circle, but you can fill all the space, like all the rectangular space with your design. As it's a Facebook, like we can't go too much long, but yeah, you have make this line, so you can make this pattern on the whole page. I'm done with this pattern. Now I want to add few of the lines in between. So what I'm going to use my black pen for this. And now I'll make, oh, this is sketch pen. Yeah, now I'm going to make few lines in this, like I'm going to add 2 3 lines in between, like I'm going to add 2 lines, 2 lines both the side, like this. You can see this, I'm doing it with the help of pen. So like this we can add these lines. This is how we are going to add the lines for the detailing part. Okay, so if you really want to do it professionally, go for micron pen. It a set of 5 pens which come in 5 sizes. So according to the thinness and thickness, you can use those pens. Now we are going to just double outline this pattern, and after this we will have our last pattern, and then we're going to end this session. So it's like we are going to add these pattern, double outlining it. I don't know why the pen is not working. What happened to this pen? Like this we are going to do. So this is how we are done with this pattern. Now I'll tell you all how to add the last pattern, and then we are going to finish this doodle like mandala art. And this kind of pattern, the black thing is comes in doodle. Okay, so let me show you what we are going to do in the end. Yeah. So let's add our last leaf and the circle, and then we are done. So I'm just going to add the end pattern. Like now this, from this center part you need to add this pattern like this. We are going to add these pattern, the simple lines. So we need to add it from 1 to 2. That will be more easier. Okay. If there is any question you are able to do it, not do it, is please write it in the comment box, because I don't know whether if there is any issue with the video or anything. And I hope you all are easily able to do these pattern. These are the basic pattern you are going to do, but after this you are just going to explore more pattern. This is the basic pattern for beginner who don't know that how to start with mandala art. I hope it was not too much difficult to do. Okay, so this is how I have just finished with this pattern. Now we are going to double outline this pattern. So I'm just going to double outline this pattern with, I guess I'll do it with marker again. So now we are going to do it like this. Now you can see there is this, if this part is not looking too much interesting because there it has only pattern, but this is looking interesting because it has depth. I'll tell you how to do it again. How to fill that portion, I did it purposely so that you can see the difference. If you will just make the pattern, there is no depth or there is no black space, your pattern will not look too much interesting, or it, if you want to make it too more professional and interesting, you should add black space also, the depth part. So yeah, this is how we are going to do this pattern. Yeah, now we need to fill this space in between. I'm just filling one space and trying other with this pattern. So I'm filling one space and I'm doing another space with pattern like this. So I'm just dividing into half first of all, and try to make these lines with the help of pen. I'll also do it with pen. I'm just leaving this space. Soon we are going to coming up with our YouTube videos in which you will have all kind of beginning thing, like how you can start drawing with mandala art, doodle or acrylic painting or drawing. And especially for kids, we are just going to start our special videos in which we are going to tell them that how they can draw anything with the help of shapes, letter and alphabet. And for the bigger kids, we have this special program, that fun with science, in which we will teach you how to easily draw the diagrams, because the kids are not able to draw good diagrams and they don't get too much good marks in science. So we are soon going to come up with the diagrams videos also, which you will soon able to see, like in this week or maybe preferably next week. I hope all have made good patterns, and please share your images holding this mandala art in your hand so that we can see how much you all have learned, and also we can choose our top 5 contestants who will do free paint party, free acrylic painting with us and join us for the paint party, this weekend paint party. Yeah. So I am done with the half of the patterns. Now I'll make the lines with the black sketch pen. They all are busy in making. It's fine, ma'am. I am happy if they all are busy in making drawing and mandala art, so it's cool. Oh my god. Yeah, so for now we are done with the mandala art. We can add few of the circles here in between. So I'm just adding a few circles in between. If you want to add circles, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, you should leave it. We can increase our pattern like this way. So when you are going to increase this pattern like this way, you are going to fill your whole page, so it will be centralized also, and it will look like you have designed it for a whole A5 size or A4 size. So it's up to you. I will just show you that how you are going to finish it in circle, and you can go ahead with like making patterns and fill the whole page, or it's up to you. And or you can design other shapes also, like semicircle, and you can use same kind of protector and make lines and do the patterns. Yeah, so I am done with this pattern. I'll show you that how this is looking. Let me do it little up for you all, because the whole part is not coming in the, yeah. So you can see this how this pattern is looking. Now when you are done with this, leave this painting for 5 to 10 minutes and then erase it. Don't erase it quickly, because your, maybe your marker, your sketch pen or your black pen will, expand, and it will spread out and spoil your artwork. So I'm not erasing right now. You can erase it later, after a few minutes, so that it will not spill out and spread out. Let me know if you like this painting or doodle or mandala art, or you like it and you are done with it. If you are done, please write this message that you are done. If you are not, you can ask me any question. I am done with it. So you can write in the comment box if you have any query related to this art. Thank you so much, Sakshi Goyal ma'am, for sharing the page link with us. And thank you, Neetu ma'am. So this is how we are going to create our mandala art. And please share your images, how you have created it. Thank you so much, Sakshi ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Shifali ma'am, and yeah, all. Thank you all for joining us for this session. Let me do a little. You can see this clearly now that how it's looking. They will send in comment. Yeah, sure. They'll send in comment later on. Thank you so much, Megha Jitesh Gupta. Okay, thank you. We just wanted that we have enjoyed this session. It's a nice evening. We all are here and we did this session and we have learned something and created something too good. Thank you, Jyotsna ma'am. Thank you, Neha ma'am. Still doing it. It's fine. You will take time. I know it will take time, 1 hour or half hour. It's up to you all. The video will appear on the Facebook, so you can just keep doing it. Keep stopping and watching the video, and you can finish it with the video. Tag your time, girlies. Take your time, girlies. Okay. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much, Shifali. Send it later in the comment section. Okay. Art Nukkad, all the best. Thank you so much, Neetu ma'am. Thank you all for joining this session. And to enroll, yeah, we have just come up with the new thing. We have a mandala art course which will have 6 sessions, and we are going to tell you all the 6 techniques which are different from each other, how you are going to create yourself professionally as a mandala artist. So if you want to join, you can join us there. And thank you, Sakshi ma'am, for the lovely comment. And thank you, Wandering Minds. Yeah, this is the basic thing. Thank you, Wandering Minds, for giving us this opportunity and connecting with us, with each other. It's a very nice page with a very good thought process that we can share our experience, expertise in this group. So if you have any, like you have experience, you can share it, and let's share and grow with each other. Like you can share your knowledge and we can grow with each other. So it's a very nice group. Thank you, Harleen. Thank you, Sagufta. Thank you all for joining, and I hope you all have learned. We are going to end this session in 2 minutes. I'm just going to adjust. thank you all for joining us for this session. And this is the mandala art we have created today. I hope you have enjoyed it and you will share your images. And we'll select our top 5 contestants who will join us for the main parties. So keep up updated and follow us for upcoming weekends, for upcoming events. Okay. Bye everyone. Enjoy. Good evening.